headlines. IMD issues orange alert for Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura for March 15 to 17. Heavy rain lashes Ukhrul district. Some parts of Imphal witness light to moderate rain. Hailstorm rain activity to continue. Number of forest fires continues to rise in Manipur. Bisnupur forest extinguishers wildfire at Hautak village. Maharashtra government alerts health administration after death of 2 patients diagnosed with infection of H3N2 virus. Hello and welcome. You're watching IS English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear masks, protect yourself, and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. Now, news in a bit more detail. The India Meteorological Department, IMD, has issued an orange alert for Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura for March 15 to 17 with a forecast of rains and thunderstorm over these northeastern states. As per IMD reports, a fresh active western disturbance is likely to affect Indian region from March 16 onwards. Due to low-level southeasterly moist air incursion from the Bay of Bengal into east central, east and northeast India and its interaction with the middle tropospheric westerly trough, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with thunderstorm is expected in the next 48 hours. Scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall activity with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind speed of around 3,040 km per hour, likely over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and northeast India from March 16 to 19, and with isolated hailstorm over the region on March 15, as per IMD reports. Meanwhile, heavy rain lashed Ukhrul district this morning. Light to moderate rain and a hailstorm lashed the hill district of Manipur from 9 a.m. to 9:40 a.m. No damages were reported. Everyone was celebrating in witnessing the season's first rain. Some parts of Imphal also witnessed light to moderate rain and hailstorm today. Rainfall was reported from Langol, Sawombung, Sekmai, Haingang, and Pangay. According to IMD reports, rain activity is likely to continue in Imphal East, Jiribam, Tamenglong, Senapati, Chandel, and Churachandpur districts. A team of Bisnupur forest today doused a wildfire at Hautak village in Bisnupur district. A source said that the forest fire occurred around 2:30 p.m. The team rushed to the site to control the fire after receiving information from some villagers, during which they detected 137 timber logs which were seized on the spot. It is suspected that the timber logs were kept concealed by some unknown people. Necessary legal procedure for seizing the timber logs was taken up by the Forest Department in presence of Range Officer of Bisnupur Forest. Manipur police arrested 3 honey hunters on Wednesday for igniting dry grasses, which led to a forest fire in the Tentha Kangla Chingdol forest in the southeastern part of the state. The fire broke out on Tuesday when the honey hunters were collecting honey from beehives built in the forest. A black Bajaj Pulsar they had used in the honey harvesting activities was recovered from the foothill of the fire accident area. A team from Khongjom police station and the fire tender of Thobal district rushed to the spot and managed to put out the fire by around 5 p.m. The 3 arrested individuals, Ningsen Mosang, 52, Singlai Raisang Singh, 27, and Simprui Thotchan, 26, all from Mumlo Ringpam village under the Machi subdivision of Tengnopal district, have been handed over to Divisional Forest Officer, Thoubal district, for necessary legal action as per forest laws. At the same time, a shed caught fire at Singjamay Thongam Laikai in Imphal West today. The blaze reportedly occurred around 2:30 p.m. The shed is located on the north of a house of one Thongnaujam Kumar. Acting swiftly, a team of Manipur Fire Service managed to put out the fire. The Maharashtra government has alerted Health Administration after the death of 2 patients diagnosed with the infection of H3N2 virus. One patient is a medical student from Ahmednagar district, while another is a senior citizen from Nagpur. Health Minister Dr. Tanaji Sawant has informed that both patients were also diagnosed with multiple other diseases. We have alerted all hospitals in the state. At present, more than 350 patients are tested positive for H3N2 virus. The daily number of COVID cases in India was recorded above 600 after 117 days, while the active cases increased to 4,197 according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Wednesday. A total of 618 new coronavirus cases were reported in a span of 24 hours, while the death toll climbed to 530,789 with 5 deaths. India had recorded 656 cases on November 18 last year, while 2 deaths were reported by Karnataka, 2 were by Maharashtra, and 1 by Uttarakhand, the data updated at 8 a.m. stated. The COVID case tally was recorded at 4,46,91,956. The national COVID-19 recovery rate has been recorded at 98.80%, and the number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 4,41,56,970. The case fatality rate was recorded at 1.19%. According to the ministry's website, 220.64 crore doses of COVID vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. The Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata has extended best wishes to all the students who are appearing in the upcoming Manipur Board Class 10 Examination 2023. HSLC Class 10 Examination 2023 is starting from March 16 in Manipur. This is the first and important board exam to be faced by students in their career. The speaker stated that in his message and wished all the students a grand success. The approach road to Jiribam helipad has been closed indefinitely by residents after the authorities failed to heed to the clarion call for repair of the long-neglected road. The residents said the road has remained unrepaired despite repeated assurance by the authorities. Jiribam residents had on March 13 warned they will close the road indefinitely from March 15 to put pressure on the government. They said the important road connects Jiribam College and 3 villages of Vidyanagar, Harinagar and Uchchathol. The move comes after the authorities failed to take up repair work on the road, said T. Mukta Khambi, a Maira Paibi leader from Lamno Pokpi, according to our Jiribam correspondent.
Disi laktana adagi esi laktana koi banche loisan biroi na hai ba matang na koi banche loisan laroi koi ban loisan biroi na koi wari longnare maramdi moina disi na hai ba wadu koi jiri ban thingi ba kangu singjina jagitre maramdi moina tang asukta koi asi tawini hai ba do hai da banina mayam leiriba koi gi ban thori ba imai ben angang singna koi bandu makhata na chathagini hai dana koi makhata na mu chathagi tare bancha.
A team of Indian Red Cross Society, IRCS, led by its chairman Narendra Ningomba and Vice President Dr. Y. Mohan Singh, today called on Manipur Governor Sushri Anushya Uike at Raj Bhavan in Imphal. M. Joy Singh, Commissioner Mahood, along with officers of Imphal Municipal Corporation, also called on Sushri at Raj Bhavan. P. Vaifai, Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture, along with officials of Horticulture, also called on Governor Sushri at Raj Bhavan. Meanwhile, A. Sharda Devi, President of BJP State Unit Manipur, called on the Manipur Governor at Raj Bhavan, according to official sources. A new branch of Wonder Chef was opened at Nagaram Block A near Hyundai showroom in Jingmairong in Imphal today. The Wonder Chef is owned by Ruby Wungkai. The kitchen appliances shop was inaugurated by Reverend Zwam Kamang Daimei, pastor MBCCCI.
Wonder Chef की स्टोर से यामना फजई अरुगा यामना पोट चिंगसु याम प्रोडक्ट्स सु यामना फजबा पोट खक्ता ओय अरुगा सिजनबा मतमना यामना हिंदी ओयगदबा अरुगा होगी मरु ओयना किचन की मरुगी यामना कानाबा अदुम प्रोडक्ट्स पोट दुम ओय अरुगा लोयना पोट से येंगमदा यामना पाम्बा पोट खक्ता ओय अरुगा रीजनेबल प्राइस खक्ता ओय प्राइस सु यामना का हेन्ना मागी प्रोडक्ट्स मागी क्वालिटी की मतुंग इना ममानसु थदो हेनोकना वांगमसु कया लेते चप चाबा रीजनेबल प्राइस ओय ऑफर सु अदुम लोइन इरे ऑफर्स नुम लेरे यामना हराउजे मसिकी स्टोर की ऑनर सु याम थगले दसी मियाम की कानाबा दम स्टोर अमा ओइने से दम एना थमजबनी
वंडर शेफ के प्रोडक्ट से मखल याम लेखरे गैस स्टोव तगी चिमनी अदगी ग्राइंडर कैसरोल कटलरीज कॉफी मशीन्स मखल याम ले मोर देन 600 प्लस प्रोडक्ट्स ले कोई वंडर शेफ से मयामना बाजार द अतोप ब्रांड फंगदबा प्रोडक्ट्स सिंग जो कोई गिदा इंगक नकपा हाइदी इनोवेटिव ओइबा प्रोडक्ट्स मयाम कोई every month launch tawe aduna Wonder Chef se yamna aina su yam pamjaba aduna sigi dukan se adugi dama aina hangak pane sigi products se mayam na su laaga yengbiu tunga ba angangak pa products mayam puthoe Wonder Chef na.
A doctor from Rongram, Meghalaya, was allegedly attacked by an angry mob on March 14 while attempting to extort money from meat vendors and shopkeepers at Rongram Market. The accused doctor, identified as Jimmy Carter Sangma, reached Rongram Market. He started demanding money from the vegetable sellers who had set up stalls on a plot of land next to the road that the doctor claimed was his. In order to get money, he and 3 accomplices had driven to the market in a vehicle. While the vegetable merchants surrendered to his interest, it was at the meat market where inconvenience emitted. He was challenged by both the meat sellers and a portion of the public when he demanded money from them. He asked the sellers not to give in to his demands. He allegedly pulled out a large knife and threatened to attack anyone who opposed him. Angered by the opposition, the public became enraged by this and they attacked him and his 3 accomplices. More people joined the fire of mob justice shortly after. The 3 conspirators were able to escape the scene with significant injuries while the extortionist doctor was black and blue beaten. The crowd became so enraged that they destroyed the doctor's car, lifted it off the road and threw it into the Genol River below the crossing of Rongram Bridge. Police from the nearby Rongram Market arrived on the scene and saved the doctor by the skin of his teeth. He was taken to the police station in Rongram, but even there, members of the public surrounded the station and demanded his surrender for the sake of public safety. The people was detained and taken to the hospital. The doctor was detained and taken to the hospital for treatment as additional authorities rushed to the scene. It's time for a short break. We'll be right back with more news.
Introducing Wonder Chef, one of India's leading brands in cookware and kitchen appliances. Inspired by Italian design and German standard of quality. Holding more than 100 plus products such as chimneys, cooktops, grinders and much more. now open at Nagaram Block A, Stadium Road near Punya Hyundai showroom. Special launch offer will be available for all customers from 15th to 30th March. Please visit the outlet at the earliest and enjoy the benefits.
Welcome back. Opposition parties today organized a march from Parliament House to the ED office in the national capital to submit a memorandum over the Adani Group issue. It was joined by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, DMK leader T.R. Balu, Left MP Ela Maram Karim, Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut, Sanjay Singh of AAP, K. Keshav Rao of BRS, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav of Samajwadi Party and others. Talking to the media, Kharge said they were going to meet the ED director to submit a memorandum into the Adani issue, but they were not allowed to move beyond Vijay Chowk. He accused the government of suppressing the opposition's voice. Now, the first ever film festival in Meghalaya started in Shillong yesterday, March 14. Meghalaya International Film Festival is a 5-day event which kicked off in the State Central Library. It was inaugurated by the Meghalaya Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo. The minister said that Meghalaya, apart from being known as abode of colors, is abodes of clouds, is also an abode of talents and creativity. He said the International Film Festival is a great opportunity to showcase a unique and rich culture and tourism potential basket of the state. The minister also emphasized that the government is committed to setting up state-of-the-art cinema halls which will further boost the film industry in the state. Actor Adil Hussain, who was also present on the occasion as a special guest. Around 40 films will be screened over the next 5 days across 4 venues. An initiative of the Meghalaya Filmmakers Association, Mi Filma, Meghalaya International Film Festival is jointly organized by the filmmakers of the state in collaboration with the Tourism Department. The closing ceremony will take place on 18th of March at the same venue. Meghalaya International Film Festival, MEG-IFF, is aimed at creating a film culture in the state, especially among its youths. The festival is expected to attract over 5,000 viewers from across the country and guest countries. And now we have sports news. In Women's Premier League cricket, Mumbai Indians defeated Gujarat Giants by 55 runs last night, March 14. Asked to bat first by Gujarat Giants, Mumbai Indians scored 162 runs, losing 8 wickets in 20 overs. Chasing the target of 163 runs, Gujarat could score 107 runs in 20 overs for the loss of 9 wickets. Mumbai kept striking at regular intervals and did not let Gujarat batters form any big partnership. With this win, the Mumbai Indians became the first team of the WPL to qualify for the playoffs. Mumbai Indians captain Harmanpreet Kaur was declared player of the match for her brilliant 51-run knock. Yastika Bhatia was the second highest scorer for Mumbai Indians with 44 runs. For Gujarat Giants, Harleen Diol scored 22 runs and Sneha Rana made 20 runs. For Gujarat, Ashley Gardner scalped 3 wickets, while for Mumbai, Nat Skyver Brunt and Hayley Matthews took 3 wickets each. Today, March 15, UP Warriors will take on Royal Challengers Bangalore at Dr. D.Y. Patil Sports Academy in Nevi, Mumbai at 7:30 p.m. Now, before we wrap up the news, the headlines once again. IMD issues orange alert for Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura for March 15 to 17. Heavy rain lashes Ukhrul district. Some parts of Imphal witness light to moderate rain, hailstorm. Rain activity to continue. Number of forest fires continues to rise in Manipur. Bishnupur forest extinguishes wildfire at Hautak village. Maharashtra government alerts health administration after death of 2 patients diagnosed with infection of H3N2 virus. That is all the news we have for now. Coming up next is 7 p.m. Manipuri News. Keep watching IS News.